Since we're beginning our studies of biochemistry, it's natural to consider another beginning, that of the planet of which our biochemical organisms are a part. This subject is a broad one, so we can only look at a few basic principles. Let's begin where our universe began, with what most physicists agree was a Big Bang. In other words, all matter was originally confined to a very small volume of space. A cataclysmic explosion generated a fireball that rapidly expanded with great force. Estimates are that the original temperature was on the order of 15 billion degrees Kelvin, or K. And of course, that temperature has been cooling ever since. In the earliest, hottest stages, the only elements present would have been hydrogen, helium, and lithium, the lightest elements on our periodic chart. Other elements began to form due to thermonuclear reactions in stars, other explosions, and due to cosmic rays. In other words, it took a great deal of energy to generate the heavier elements. The most abundant elements in organisms we find to be hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. Elements would combine to form simple molecules, which would have been gases in the atmosphere of early Earth. Gases generated would include ammonia and hydrogen sulfide, as well as the more familiar gases of methane, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor. Chemical processes in the lab can use these very gases to generate biochemical molecules like proteins and nucleic acids. Therefore, some theories suggest that these reactions occurred in Earth's early oceans or on surfaces of clay particles containing the necessary minerals. This is just one of many theories that seek to explain the origin of life on our planet, an especially interesting subject since the Earth is the only planet that we know of which supports life. It's important to realize that these are all speculative. None have been proved absolutely. Still, it can be profitable to speculate as it raises questions in our minds about how these molecules function the way they do and why. Those questions have everything to do with our study of biochemistry.